to Money Masters, your go-to destination for mastering personal finance and achieving financial freedom. Hi, I'm Eileen, your host for today's episode. I've spent years mastering the art of personal finance and wealth building, and I'm excited to share my insights with you. Today's video will talk about financial education, navigating through the world of savings, investments, and budgeting. We're here to empower you with the keys to unlock a stable, prosperous future. Join us as we simplify the complex, turning financial jargon into everyday language that you can act on. Together, let's build your path to financial success, one informed decision at a time. But before we dive into our video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our expert advice and money saving tips. Now, let's get started. Are you ready to become a money masters? Let's go!
Financial literacy is crucial for making informed decisions about managing money, investments, and securing one's financial future. While financial literacy encompasses a wide range of knowledge, here are 4 foundational rules that can guide anyone towards making sound financial decisions. Rule 1. Understand and manage your income, expenses, and budget. Income awareness. Know your total income, including your salary, bonuses, and any other sources. Budgeting. Allocate your income towards essential expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. Expense tracking. Keep a detailed record of your expenditures to avoid overspending and to identify potential areas for saving. Rule 2. Save and invest wisely. Emergency fund. Always maintain an emergency fund, typically enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses, to safeguard against unforeseen circumstances. Investment knowledge. Understand the basics of investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Risk management. Be aware of your risk tolerance and manage your investments accordingly. Retirement planning. Contribute to retirement accounts and understand the power of compound interest. Rule 3. Understand and manage credit and debt. Credit awareness. Know your credit score and what impacts it. Understand how to build and maintain a good credit history. Debt management. Be conscious of your debts and create a plan to manage and reduce them effectively. Be wary of accumulating high-interest debt. Loan literacy. Understand the terms, conditions, and obligations when taking out loans. Credit card usage. Use credit cards wisely and pay off the balances monthly to avoid debt accumulation. Rule 4. Protect your wealth. Insurance knowledge. Understand the types of insurance that are pertinent to protecting your wealth, such as health, life, and property insurance. Estate planning. Develop a plan for your assets for the future, including wills and trusts. Tax planning. Be aware of the tax implications of your financial decisions and engage in lawful tax optimization strategies. Fraud prevention. Be vigilant against scams and fraud by being informed about common tactics used by fraudsters. Application in daily life. Continuous learning. Financial markets and tax laws can change, so commit to ongoing financial education. Seeking professional advice. Consider hiring a financial advisor or consultant for tailored guidance. Financial discussions. Engage in financial discussions with family members and involve them in financial decision-making. Practical tips. Utilize financial management tools and apps to automate budget tracking and investment. Engage in community financial literacy programs and workshops. Follow reputable financial news sources to stay informed about market trends and economic policies. Understanding and applying these 4 rules can pave the way for a stable and secure financial future. Always remember that being financially literate is not just about saving money but also making informed decisions that can enhance your financial well-being. Understanding credit. Credit score management. Grasp how credit scores are calculated and recognize the importance of maintaining a healthy score for obtaining favorable loan terms. Responsible use of credit. Utilize credit cards and loans judiciously to avoid falling into a debt trap. Always aim to pay the full credit card balance each month to avoid interest charges. Strategic saving. Automated savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account to consistently build your savings without thinking about it. High-yield accounts. Opt for high-yield savings accounts that offer better interest rates to grow your savings faster. Advanced investment strategies. Market timing versus time in the market. Understand the debate between trying to time the market and adopting a long-term investment approach. Robo-advisors versus human advisors. Familiarize yourself with different advisory platforms and decide which is the most beneficial for your investment strategy. Cryptocurrency. Gain insights into digital currencies, their volatility, utility, and consider how or if they might fit into your investment strategy. Conscious spending. Needs versus wants. Differentiate between essential spending and discretionary spending. Always prioritize needs and be mindful of your wants to avoid overspending. Mindful spending. Adopt practices that encourage you to think twice before making a purchase, ensuring that each buy is truly worthwhile. Legal aspects of finances. Contracts. Understand the legalities of financial contracts, such as loans, leases, and employment agreements to safeguard your interests. Consumer rights. Know your rights as a consumer regarding product warranties, return policies, and protection against fraud. Global financial perspective. Global economics. Develop an understanding of global economic events and their potential impact on your investments and financial well-being. Foreign investments. Consider exploring foreign markets and understand the additional risks and potential rewards involved in international investments. Behavioral finance. Psychology of investing. Learn about the psychological traps, biases, and errors that can affect investment decisions and financial management. Emotional decision making. Develop strategies to separate emotions from your financial decision-making process to avoid impulsive and potentially harmful actions. Entrepreneurship and business financials. Business models. Understand various business models and how they generate revenue and profit. Business finances. Learn how to manage business income, expenses, and investments to ensure profitability and sustainability. Being financially literate in all these aspects provides a comprehensive view of managing money wisely. It not only involves individual financial management but extends to understanding broader economic concepts and making informed decisions that could impact one's financial health and stability. Continuous self-education, leveraging technology, and possibly consulting with professionals in the respective fields can enhance these aspects of financial literacy. Conscious spending involves making deliberate and thoughtful decisions about purchases, ensuring that your spending aligns with your values, goals, and financial plan. It's not just about saving money, but rather about making sure that the money you spend is providing true value in your life and isn't detracting from your financial goals. Below are some aspects and strategies related to conscious spending. Needs versus wants. Identifying essentials. Clearly define what constitutes a need, essentials like food, shelter, and utilities, and what falls into the category of wants, non-essentials like dining out, gadgets, etc. Priority setting. Allocate your budget primarily towards needs and allow a predetermined, affordable amount for wants. Mindful purchasing. Reflect before buying. Before making a purchase, take a moment to consider whether it's necessary and if it aligns with your financial goals. Quality over quantity. Opt for items that may have a higher initial cost but provide better quality and longevity, offering better value over time. Budget alignment. Track spending. Regularly monitor your spending to ensure it aligns with your budget and adjust accordingly. Flexible budgeting. Allow for a degree of flexibility in your budget to accommodate unforeseen or occasional expenses without compromising your financial stability. Align spending with values. Value-based spending. Ensure that your spending reflects your values, for example, investing in experiences over possessions if that's what matters to you. Supporting ethical brands. Choose to spend money on brands and products that adhere to ethical practices and align with your moral values. Planning and preparing. Avoid impulse buying. Implement strategies, like the 30-day rule, waiting 30 days before making a non-essential purchase, to avoid impulse buying. Preparation. Plan for larger purchases and set aside money over time to avoid financial strain when the expense arises. Utilizing tools and resources. Use of financial apps. Leverage financial apps and tools that help track and manage spending effectively. Leverage discounts. Make use of discounts, cashback, and reward points consciously, ensuring that they do not drive unnecessary purchases. Setting financial goals. SMART goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound financial goals that guide your spending decisions. Visualizing goals. Keep your financial goals visible to serve as a reminder and deter unnecessary spending. Reducing waste. Mindful consumption. Be aware of your consumption patterns and strive to reduce waste, for example by buying in bulk or choosing reusable products. Recycling and upcycling. Engage in recycling and upcycling practices, finding new uses for old items rather than discarding them. Conscious spending promotes financial wellness by ensuring that every dollar spent is doing so in a way that benefits your life and moves you towards your financial objectives. This mindful approach towards managing finances allows you to have control over your financial life and ensures a stable and secure financial future.
thank you for joining us in this enlightening journey through the world of finance and the secret of the money masters. We hope you found this video both informative and thought-provoking. If you want to dive deeper into the world of financial mastery and take control of your own financial future, remember to subscribe our channel here. And you can find more informative videos here. Thank you again for watching. Remember, financial mastery is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. So, take action, stay curious, and never stop learning. Until next time, I'm Eileen, signing off, wishing you financial success and prosperity. See you in the next video!